If your headlights are starting to look cloudy, yellow, or just plain dull, you already know how frustrating that is. Not only does it make your car look older, but it also reduces visibility at night, which is a real safety issue. The good news is, you don't need to replace your headlights. The right restoration kit can bring them back to life. In this video, we're counting down the top 5 best headlight cleaners for cars that actually work, so you can restore clarity, improve visibility, and save money. And once you are done watching, check the Amazon links in the description below to find the best deals on these headlight cleaner kits. At number 5, we have the Ghguole Headlight Restoration Kit. This kit comes fully loaded with 6 different sandpaper grits ranging from 180 to finer options, an atomization cup, repair fluid, sealing rings, and a 220V adapter. It's designed for deeper restoration using a heating atomization process. Looking at the specs and performance, this is more of a heavy-duty solution. The vapor restoration method helps recoat the surface, which is great if your headlights are severely oxidized. It does require a bit more effort and patience, but the results can be impressive when done right. The only downside is it's not the most beginner-friendly option. This is best for users dealing with heavily damaged headlights who want a deeper restoration. Coming in at number 4, we've got the Clear Lights Tech Headlight Restoration Kit. This one uses a simple 3-wipe system designed to remove yellowing and oxidation quickly. Compared to more complex kits, this is all about convenience. You wipe, restore, and protect. It's that straightforward. Based on what most users report, it works surprisingly well for light to moderate haze. However, it may not be strong enough for severely damaged headlights. This is ideal for quick maintenance and light restoration without the hassle. Now at number 3, we have the Car Headlight Restoration Kit with spray-on application. It features a restoration spray, polishing compound, and a ceramic clear coat for long-term protection. What makes this stand out is how easy it is to use. You spray, wipe, polish, and seal. The added ceramic coating provides UV protection and helps keep headlights clear longer. In real-world use, it strikes a great balance between ease and effectiveness. The only drawback is it may require reapplication over time. This is perfect for anyone who wants a quick but longer-lasting shine. At number 2, we've got the VCTSELITY Car Headlight Restoration Kit. This is another vapor-based system, but it comes with a more complete package including a 200 milliliters repair liquid, multiple sandpapers, power supply options, and an aluminum storage case. Compared to number 5, this feels more refined and complete. The vapor coating creates a smooth, like new finish, especially on heavily oxidized lenses. It does take some time and careful handling, but the results can look almost factory new. The only downside is the learning curve. This is best for users who want professional-level results at home. Taking the top spot, we have the 3M Ultra Headlight Restoration Kit. It includes multiple sanding discs ranging from 500 to 3000 grit, a disc pad holder, masking tape, and a protective clear coat. 3M has built a strong reputation in this space, and this kit shows why. The multi-step sanding and refining process delivers consistent, reliable results across different levels of damage. Compared to other options in this price range, it offers one of the best balances between ease of use and professional results. The only minor downside is it takes a bit of time, but the finish is worth it. This is the best all-around choice for most car owners. So, if you want something quick and easy, go for a wipe or spray kit. But if your headlights are heavily oxidized, a vapor or multi-step sanding kit like the top picks will give you the best results. Check the Amazon links in the description below to find the best deals on these headlight restoration kits. And if you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe for more car care tips and product reviews. Also, leave a comment below sharing your experience with oxidized or yellowing headlights and how you fixed them. Thanks for watching.